Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing number 247. If we start with this box, we're missing 1, 2, and 5. We've got a 2 here, so 1, 5. No help here, 1, 2, 5. And a 2 here, so 1, 5. So it looks like the only place our 2 can be in that box is here. We look at this column, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 2, 6. For this row now, we're missing a 1, 3, and 5. We've got a 3 here, so 1, 5. And no help here, so 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5. If we look at this column, we're missing 1, 4, and 5. We've got a 1 and a 4 here, so this is our 5. So that 5 makes this our 1, and our 4 would be here. That 1 makes this our 5. We look at this row, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 7 here, so 9, 7. For this box now, we're missing 1, 6, and 9. We've got a 6 here, so 1, 9, 1, 9. And that means that our 6 has to be here. If we look at this top row, we're missing 1, 6, 7, and 9. We've got the 6 covering here, so 1, 7, 9, 6 and 7 here, so 1, 9. 7 covering both of these boxes, and a 1 and 6. So that makes this our 9, which makes this our 1, 7, 6. That 1 makes this our 5. So we can get rid of these 5s. For this box now, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got an 8 here, so 9, 8. That 9 makes this our 1 and 9. So for this column now, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 5, 6. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 3 here, so 4, 3. For this bottom row now, we're missing 1, 2, and 5. We've got a 2 and 5 here, so this is our 1. 2 here, so 5, 2. For this column now, we're missing 4, 7, and 9. We've got a 9 covering these two boxes, so our 9 is here. 4 here makes this our 7, 4. Finish out this box, we're missing a 5. For this box, we're missing 1 and 8. We've got a 1 here, so 8, 1. For this row now, we're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 5, 9. For this row, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 4, 5. For this row, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 1, 9. That 1 makes this our 3, 1. For this box now, we're missing 2, 3, and 7. We've got a 2 and 7 here, so this is our 3. A 2 here, so 7, 2. And for this box, we're missing 3, 4, and 8. We've got 4 and 8 there, so 3, 4 there, so 8 and 4. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.